Hey guys, I'm Yana Marie and welcome to my channel. So for this video, I really wanted to focus a bit more on self-care and positivity. It's something that I feel is very important, and I really wanted to create a spread that will help you guys with positivity and self-care. This spread is something that you will fill in on a daily basis and is very focused around gratitude and just overall being more positive. So hopefully the spread will help you guys with your positivity and gratitude. Okay, so let's get into creating our daily gratitude spread. So in this daily gratitude spread, you're gonna have a section to fill in the morning and a section to fill in at the end of the day. You can also adapt it to be a weekly gratitude spread if you don't have time to do it daily. I was a bit ill while recording this video's voiceovers, so my voice might sound a bit different today. For the morning gratitude, I start off by writing down 3 things that I'm grateful for. Then I ask myself the question, what will make today wonderful? This will make you positive about the day, especially if there's something happening that day that you feel stressed about, for example, an exam or a deadline. After that, I write down a positive affirmation that I will focus on for that day. You can have a dedicated journal for this if you want to do it daily, or you can create a weekly gratitude spread which can work well in your bullet journal that you use for your monthly and weekly planning. You can even create your own personalized journal from scratch as your gratitude journal. I made a tutorial on how to create your very own hardcover bullet journal. I will link the video in the top right corner and in the description box below. For the evening gratitude, I reflect on my day by writing down 3 good things that happened that day. In this way, even if I've had a bad day, I can look back to it in a positive light by focusing on the good things that happened. Then I write down 1 thing that I can be proud of. I end off the evening gratitude by writing down what I'm looking forward to the next day, so that I also have a positive attitude toward the next day. If you decide on doing a weekly gratitude spread, I would recommend filling it in on a Sunday and replacing the morning gratitude section with next week and the evening gratitude section with this past week. I would also swap the 2 sections around so that you first reflect on the past and then focus on the future. I also decided to just write down some other gratitude prompts for you guys in case you want to create a different kind of gratitude spread or if you want to use different questions. You can really personalize the spread how you want. The point is just to get yourself more aware of the positive things in your life, which will ultimately improve your self-love and quality of life. that was my daily gratitude spread setup. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like it was helpful, please leave a like. If you're going to try this gratitude activity spread, then please tell me in the comments. I would really like to know if this was actually helpful, and if you like bullet journaling and DIY videos, then it would be awesome if you could subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting a new video every Friday. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and then I will see you in the next video.